Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the lyrics on the Capcut video. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So open the Capcut app, and after that you will have to create the new project. So just tap right here on the new project, and then you have to select any of the video. Now tap right here on the add, and then after that add a background for the video to import the audio or song for which you want to add. So access to the auto lyrics feature, click on the text button and select auto lyrics. So you have to tap right here on the text, and you can see the auto caption. So you will tap right here on the start, and after that you can see this is creating the lyrics. So these steps may vary slightly based on the specific version of the CapCut you are using, but the general process remains consistent. So you can see that your text is now generated. You can see these are the texts. So this is how you can easily generate the lyrics. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.